Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from A Menagerie of Stitches. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to brush your amigurumi using a pet slicker brush. Brushing your pieces gives them a completely different look and can be such a fun addition to your amigurumi. I've used a pet slicker brush on many projects, like this mini gnome and on this squirrel. All you need for this technique is a pet slicker brush. You can find these on Amazon or at a pet store, and I'll have a link down below for you. I like to use one that doesn't have those little beads at the end of the bristles. This brush has pretty sharp edges and makes it so I can easily brush out the yarn and get it super fuzzy. To begin, hold somewhat firmly onto the item that you're going to be brushing. Then with the pet slicker brush, it's time to go to town. Start brushing in one direction. Then, if needed, switch and go in the opposite direction. The goal is to make the yarn fuzzy. When brushing, just make sure to not pull too hard. Pulling will cause your stitches to stretch out, and we definitely don't want that. For this squirrel tail, I'm going to brush towards the top of the tail in continuous strokes to make it super fuzzy. Just keep doing this until you're happy with the amount of fuzz. And if needed, use a pair of sharp scissors to shape the fuzzy part. And that's how you use a pet slicker brush to make your project fuzzy. As you can see here, the entire tail is now fuzzy and looks much more different than just having a regular crocheted piece. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting, friends!